Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to start by opening the device's settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. Following that, click on Emergency Information and select Add Contact. Now just click on the one that you wish to add. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones. In order to remove one of them, select this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!